Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will tell you how to make money in this whole project. So for that you have to go to the resource. Click on this resource. Now you have to add the resources. Resource means ke in this activity how many money you will consume, how much budget you will make. So for that you have to click on resource and here you have to add the resource. Okay, let's. So you see, you can give the ID, you can give the resource name. We will do it. First go to the activity. Now we see that for the subgrade preparation. For the subgrade preparation, we need a resource of a compactor, a machine. So resource ID, sum11 resource ID. We need a compactor. Compactor is a machine. Click next. This is select the resource type. There are three resource type: people, equipment, and supplies or material. So this is a machine. So we click on this unit of measure. We can do this later on. Now, what is the price of this in per hour? Let's suppose its price is 1000 rupees per hour and default are 8 hour per day. 8 hour per day. Okay, phone and this blah blah we don't need, and this we don't need. Click and select the existing calendar. Yeah, calendar. Yes. Which calendar? The calendar that I have made. For that, in this you can click here and select my calendar, which you assign for a default, so that the work days and non-work days may be may be distinguished. And this auto and this next con regulation is made one activity good. Okay, now this is the resource that we are making. Push it back and push it back in an other columns, and these are by default, and must be, I think these should be deleted so that it not disturb. Just cross it. Oops, not this. Okay, it is not inside this. Just delete it. If you are using the sample data, you can delete it. And these all, if you don't need, you can simply just click cross, and you want to delete, yes, delete. Okay, this I also want to delete this one, so that I may not be confused which I have made, which resource I have made. Okay, this is this. Okay, this is not getting delete the selected resource. Okay. And this material, I don't need this material. I just okay, good. Now I have made a resource and I have assigned the rate of that machine per hour, in which in this activity I have to use that resource. So now how I will assign that? I will go to my resource, click this. If this is active, this detailed activity is not coming, then you can just click on detail activity and it will come. Okay, now add resource. Just click on this activity, click on add resource, click on this. It will automatically appear in this. The resources that you will make will automatically be assigned here, and it will be in this dialog box which you want to assign in your activity. Just click on assign. It has been assigned. Now click cross. Now it is asking that about this. I don't need this column. I just simply need the money. The the actual budgeted amount, the amount that I need. So you can just go to cost. You can click on okay, I can't see, I make it big. Budgeted cost. Budgeted cost, I need the budgeted cost which I am planning for this activity. So just oops, sorry, uh, where is this thing? I go back, need to go back. Click on cost, click on budgeted cost, click on this, and actual cost. I don't need actual cost. Actual cost will come after I will make this project on the ground. So I don't need the remaining. I don't need lag. I don't need start finish, and as I've gone on the project start. Budgeted unit, I need the budgeted units. Budgeted units are how many hours you need for this project. Primary resource, yes, I need it. Okay, activity name and this I don't need this anymore, and the dates, I don't need dates. I just need the cost, the amount, the money that I have to spend on this activity. Okay, just click OK. So what you got, I think it should be, cost should be at low place. Okay, yes, this is it. Now you see that the amount that you have to spend on this resource on the compactor is 40,000, because I have to assign, I have to assign 10 hours, 10 hours work with 1000 rupees its rate. I should also write here its rate. I should find it, rate, RAT, rate source. No, I don't know, rate type, bill rate. No, I don't need these. Well, the rate should be on the, should be here. Okay, I should find that. Should go in cost, add completion cost, and this. Mm, mm, bill rates and units, actual units. Okay, no, I don't need actual units, because that will be done after when the project will be on site. That will give the actual units that will be consumed. So the rate type, you can also import this rate type, and the roles and rate per unit of Meyer. You also need a unit of Meyer. Okay, enough. Okay, click OK. So the cost that I assigned for this project per hour was 1000, and I need 10 hours for this activity to complete. So my budget will be 1000 multiplied by 10 will be 10,000. So now I need that it should be shown on my front page, that how much money I am spending on this activity. So go to the columns, go to the cost, go to the budgeted cost. It should be budgeted total cost. So budgeted total cost means that the cost you are consuming on this activity. See this cost, this is the activity, and this is my cost for this. So this total will be when these all will be added, and this total cost of the project will be assigned here for this project. Now I'm talking about total cost. There is another cost, other amount, the other money that is spent on this activity can be the expense, the expenses. If I just add the expenses, like I need some more labor, you can add this on expense. You can just click on add, you can write I need 2 labor, and the budgeted units are that I need for 8 hours. The unit price is about 1000 rupees. So you see, it will multiply and budgeted cost will be generated. Now this 8000 and that 10,000 rupees, this will make 18,000 rupees. Now you see, it has become 18,000 rupees because the expenses has been added to the total budgeted cost. So my total budgeted cost is, the money that I have made is 18,000. I hope you got the point. Thank you.